Hi, I am Angelina Masi, Team Innovators Paradise. Team members are Ayush Kesar, Angelina Masi, Soumya Vasudev. Theme Health Problem Statement Build solution to find new way to address health and nutrition challenge, obesity, malnutrition, etc. Titles Nutrition Fit. Technical detail of application. Why we have selected this particular theme. Overweight and obesity are of great concern due to the lifestyle patterns with food habit due to urbanization. Dietary patterns should be segregated not only for their impact on health but also for their impact on environment and particular their link to climate change due to high carbon footprint. Internet of Things IoT, which is the great demand in healthcare application which bring endless opportunity. AI enabled application will be of great advantage in providing information about nutrition intake, calorific value, daily activities and movement of individual will surely help the individual to update the status on nutrients and health status. Brief explanation of silent feature or proposed solution and how it is proposed solution solving the problem statement. In the present, prototypes and cost-effect sensor support device in designing for Android application, which will help in preventing obesity and highlighting nutrition intake. The sensor like RFID for nutrients and caloric information, pressure, climbing and hiking, running and walking. Accelerometer activities and GPS location are used to detect the different activities and correlated with nutrients and caloric requirement. The data transmitted to cloud service through micro controller and store which is used for visualization and production. Further, the application is integrate with AI image analytics for classification of low and high fat food with the calorific value and NLP for learning the cause and preventing measure to be adopted in daily life. Thank you.
What makes our solution innovative and different? In the present prototype, a cost-effective sensor support device is designed with cloud support. The sensors like RFID for nutrient calorie information, pressure, climbing and hiking, the data transmitted to the cloud server through the microcontroller node MCU and stored which is useful for visualization and prediction. The application is further integrated with AI/ML image analytics for identification of low and high fat foodstuffs. AI/NLP with application for learning causes types of obesity and measures to be taken. Application area of our solutions such as the location, scenario and user profile where the prototype can be deployed users, educational and research institute, teaching and learning community, social circle and community, nutrition counselor. What ATL tools technologies have you used in the development? PictoBlox Tempedia application, Node, MCU, RFID and pressure sensor, AI/ML image analytics, AI/NLP, ATL design, thinking, computational thinking and physical computing modules. Monitoring the physical activity through the sensors like accelerometer, pressure sensor and food intake through RFID on calorie. The nutrient specification helps the user in correlating the dietary intake, the activity on basis. The present application is with information and physical measurement, the data collected with transmission by node MCU to cloud server. The application works data transmitted from food sample on the calorific value, the nutrient quantity, the sensor data on regular basis on different activities movement by the user. The collected data are stored in the ThickSpeak cloud. The data stored in server data analytics by data visualization and prediction helps in identifying, suggesting nutritional, composing weight, food calorific value on regular basis. AI/ML image analytics for identification of low and high fat foodstuffs. AI and NLP applications for learning causes types of obesity measure to be taken. The Android application for the users will be helpful in periodic activities and calorie requirement for the day along with the information on nutrient requirement. Thank you.
Hi, good morning everyone. I Soumya Vasudev with my team members Ayush Keshar and Angelina Mashi. Key jobs, role and contribution for each team member. Ayush Keshar, overall research, preparation of PowerPoint, data collection, research and survey on health. Participation in ideation, development of prototype and planning for video shooting, registration and submission of project. Angelina Massey, overall research, preparation of PowerPoint, data collection, research and survey on health, participation in ideation, development of prototype and planning for content development, overall coordination and submission. Soumya Vasudev, overall research, preparation of PowerPoint, data collection, research and survey on health, participation in ideation, development of prototype and planning for content development, overall coordination and finalization of research, documenting PowerPoint.